Today we will have a look at this water fountain PC speaker. These are old ones, if you remember them. They used to be popular, and this one is made in September 2013. By the look of it, we have stickers on both speakers. There is no brand name, no model number, nothing. They run on the ancient mini USB 5 volt, and this is the audio input, and this other wire goes to the other speaker. Something went wrong here, but still works. So let's turn them on, test them, then we will take them apart and see what's inside. Turn on straight away. As you can see, there are LEDs. This is the front is like a magnifying glass, sort of. Let's connect audio source. Get this from the PC. Let's play something on the PC. As you can see, the water is jumping up and down. It's hard to talk while the music is playing, it's too loud. So that's all the water that's inside. Not much. That's all the water that's inside, and right like this it will go down, and these are the LEDs. Let me play some music. By the way, they make noise. You can hear water noise, so they are not ideal. But if you play loud music, you cannot hear the water. So yeah. apart and see what's inside. So this is the reservoir. Can we take this off? Yes. So this is the reservoir, as you can see. These are the LEDs, and looks like we have a rotating pump. This one has just a speaker. Let's open the other one. Maybe it has more stuff going on. Same thing, except this one has the amplification circuit board. So the motor spins according to the music. When the music is off, the motor is off. Okay, let's put it back together. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.